So we have discussed that if I have two different operator in a statement, then how we can find the result. But there is another situation can arise. That is, for example, let's take a situation that I'm writing a very simple statement. Say A equal to say 5, B equal to 6, C equal to 7. I'm sorry, C equal to 7. Okay, and then I'm writing D equal to A plus B plus C. And if I ask you the result, you can say, you will obviously say that it will produce 6 plus 5, 11 plus 7 actually 18. Now question is that if I ask you that tell me among these two classes which addition you have done first, I mean whether you have added A and B or B and C first, many students will have different answer, right? Some people may say that I have added A and B first, then I have added the result with C, and some people will say that I have added B and C first, then I have added with C. Some people will say I have added A and C plus, then I added B. So many answer is possible from a mathematics point of view on your copy. But till you see, interesting point is that nobody will say that I have added A, B, C as a whole. When we calculate a large statement, actually we calculate one by one. Either we calculate one operator at a time. The same thing happens for a computer also. You know, when computer execute this particular statement, computer never add three numbers at a time. What computer does? Computer has to break down this two addition statement into two successive one addition statement. Okay. So now what is the possibility? Possibility is that A can be added first with B and that result will be added with C. This is possibility number one, at least with respect to this statement. And another possibility is that B will be added with C first and that result will be added with F. In this particular case, you see, if I take this approach, then I'm adding the leftmost right first and leftmost addition. I'm using the leftmost addition symbol first. And if I use this approach, I'm taking the rightmost addition symbol first. Now obviously you will say, what does matter? What does matter? Left or right doesn't matter because ultimately they will produce same result. But problem is that computer is a deterministic device. Computer don't decide on spot that whether it will take right one or left one first. So some definite, a specific rule should be provided to the computer so that when in a statement multiple operators come with same precedence, then computer can able to decide which operator should be executed first. I'm repeating it again, that when computer finds some statement having multiple operator of same precedence, then somehow some rule must be there so that computer can decide which operator should be executed first. And this rule is what we call, this rule what we call associativity. Okay, so what is associativity? Let's write it in a simple term, that if, when a compiler, I'm, I was saying computer, actually it should be compiler, finds sorry uh, instruction having multiple operator, sorry, of same precedence, then it should follow certain rules to decide which operator should be executed first. This rule is called associativity. So this associativity rule is associated with each and every operators, right? So for example, if I, you should know associativity on some cases. For example, for example, uh, we can say that the plus plus, I mean, okay, let's write the associativity rule. I'm sorry. Associativity rule. What are the possible options? We can have plus plus, minus minus. We can have arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator. Okay. We can have bitwise operator. We can have logical operator. Right. We can have conditional operator. We can have assignment operator. So various operators have various associativity. I mean, not various actually, some operator are similar, some operator are different. So let's write one by one. The associativity for this plus plus and minus minus is what we call right to left. Arithmetic operator is opposite one, left to right. Then bitwise operator have, sorry, bitwise operator have again left to right. Logical operator have left to right. Conditional operator has again now right to left. I'm coming about the meaning of these points. And this is also right to left. This right to left or left to right, say for example right to left. The right to left means actually the rightmost operator will be executed first and the leftmost will be at the last. For example, if I say arithmetic operator, the associativity of arithmetic operator is left to right. That means if I say that I have a statement something like x equal to p plus q plus r, if you don't write any bracket, then also since it is left to right, that means leftmost will be executed first, then the rightmost. So basically computer will break down these statements in two lines. One, first it will produce p plus q, fine, then the result will get added with the r. So leftmost is this one and rightmost this one. Similar thing for the other cases also. Okay. So depends on that the result varies. For example, if I say that we have say a equal to 0, b equal to 1, c equal to 2, and if I write d equal to a and b and c, so this will be ANDed first. So it's ANDed means 0, then and c means ultimately result is 0. So d will be equal to 0. You see, if you do it from the right hand side, then also it will be result 0. Result is not changing, but it must have some rule. But you know, this result will change if we keep this particular uh, situation will be more complex. We will see it very soon. But you have to remember about this associativity rule for solving some complex problem that we will see in future.